Ice cream is a delicious frozen dessert that many people enjoy, especially during the warm summer months. It's a popular treat all around the world and comes in a wide variety of flavors and styles. Here are some fun facts about ice cream that you might enjoy learning. But before we begin, I've hidden 3 ice cream cones throughout this video. Do you think you can spot them before the end of the video? Keep an eye out or you may miss them. Ice cream has been around for a long time, with evidence of it dating back to ancient China and Persia. The first recorded instance of ice cream in the United States was in 1744 when a Scottish colonist brought a recipe for it to Maryland. It became popular in the 1800s, and by the early 1900s, ice cream parlors were a common sight in American cities. Ice cream is made up of a few simple ingredients: cream, sugar, and flavorings. The cream gives ice cream its smooth texture, while the sugar adds sweetness. Different flavors are achieved by adding various ingredients such as fruit, chocolate, or nuts. Many ice creams also contain stabilizers, such as eggs or gelatin, to help keep the ice cream smooth and prevent ice crystals from forming. There are many types of ice cream, each with its own unique characteristics. Here are some popular types of ice cream. Soft serve is a type of ice cream that is served directly from a machine. It's called soft serve because it's softer and smoother than traditional ice cream, which is churned and then frozen. Gelato is an Italian style of ice cream that is known for its dense, creamy texture. It's made with milk instead of cream, which gives it a lower fat content. Sorbet is a type of ice cream that is made with fruit juice or puree instead of cream. It's typically lower in calories and fat than traditional ice cream. Sherbet is similar to sorbet, but it contains a small amount of milk or cream. It's often made with fruit juice and is known for its tangy, fruity flavor. Ice cream bars are a popular frozen treat that consist of a stick of ice cream coated in chocolate or another type of candy shell. The most popular ice cream flavor in the United States is vanilla. The tallest ice cream cone ever made was over 9 feet tall. Some people believe that eating ice cream too fast can give you brain freeze. Ice cream sundaes were invented in the late 1800s when a shop owner ran out of ice cream dishes and served the ice cream in bowls. They are made by starting with a base of 1 or more scoops of ice cream and then adding toppings like hot fudge, caramel, whipped cream, nuts, and sprinkles. Some people also like to add fruit like sliced bananas or strawberries. Sundaes can be served in a special dish with a long spoon so that you can reach all of the delicious toppings at the bottom. They are a fun way to enjoy ice cream and make a great dessert for a special occasion or just a sweet treat on a hot day. Ice cream is a sweet and delicious treat that is loved by people of all ages. Whether it's a hot summer day or a cool winter evening, ice cream can be enjoyed any time of the year. With so many flavors and toppings to choose from, it's no wonder why ice cream is such a popular dessert. Some people even consider it to be one of their favorite foods. Whether you like it in a cone, a cup, or on top of a warm brownie, there is nothing quite like the joy that comes with indulging in a scoop of ice cream.